Well, I think that the story of the game is very simple. We saw a not well played first half, a lot of duels, a lot of just falls, and Sundowns trying to play, but also with not doing the things in the best way. We saw a team of Chiefs trying to resist and just applying intensity in order to break our game. Their capacity to play was not too much, but just using long balls on the spaces, trying to cope with the speed of the players in the front. Nothing to say, just a way to play a game. But from our side, I was not happy. I was not happy because I think we could have played better, less emotional and more mental, thinking better about what to do in each moment of the game, coping with the intensity, try to take the ball on the spaces that were available because there were spaces, and we let ourselves go a little bit under the emotions of the derby spirit, let's say, and just not understanding this was just a football game. At halftime, obviously that my speech was exactly regarding that, to put the team to play football, tell the boys that they should relate with the capacity to play. We made substitutions in order to give the team that capacity. I think that it worked. As you understood, we started the second half in total control of the game, managing the ball, managing the rhythm of the game, looking for the spaces, looking for the second goal to try to finish. That was what I asked at halftime. A team of Chiefs that from there on could not even press the ball because we were playing the ball in the right spaces, and it's clear we cannot run away from it. There's a mistake, individual mistake that leads to a 1-1 result, when obviously for all of you, if you are fair enough, you would say that the game would go until the end without any capacity for Chiefs to change the direction the game was taking. Anyway, football is like that. Mistakes are capitalized. I always also speak that the games are sometimes decided on details. Today, the detail for the opponent for the equalizer came from that mistake. But we don't kill no one. We just raise together and we give the hand to the players and we play to solve the problem. So that's what the team did. Obviously, that is not easy to receive a goal like that and to react, but I think the team reacted. We kept the intention to score the second goal. We kept ourselves in the game. We kept giving stimulus to the players, coping with the substitutions from Chiefs that also just wanted to play long balls on the spaces, but nothing came out from there. We controlled completely that, and then it's obvious. Then comes a goal that is offside. I think you also, if you didn't saw, go back and look at it because it's clear. So when we work in a country that doesn't have a VAR, that's what happens. So just go back, take the image. You have the images, get the image from the TV, and there's a team that loses this competition out of a mistake from the referee. I think we are being penalized enough all through the season regarding referee mistakes. I remember goals that we scored in games that we also didn't win away. You remember that game I spoke about. Peter scored more than one goal. And today we are out of the competition 5 minutes from the end or 4 minutes from the end in the goal that is offside. It's what it is. We need to stand up. We win together, we lose together. We should have done more. Yes, we should have done more. Nothing to say from the team of Chiefs. They honestly fight it. They made their game. Congratulations to them and to coach for the result. We have just to regret that we could not do more, but it's clear that we are out of the competition. We had still 30 minutes plus 4 to play and a long story to be written, but there was no time to write the last chapter of this book, so it's what it is. We keep the story like it was.
All right, so we're going to open up the